I put my laptop over table,
That's it. The table.
on the table.
Over that, exactly. Yes, that's correct. I put my laptop over the table, right?
Okay.
¿Cómo sabes que es pasado? Porque toda la conversación va a ser en pasado. No necesitas hacerle nada al verbo, right? So, este pues, grupo en particular es el más fácil de aprenderse, right?
Okay.
Y si se te olvida el pasado de alguno y estás hablando en presente, nadie lo va a notar. Entonces, el primerito es la vieja confiable. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Let. Ale, what's the meaning of let?
Dejar.
Ujú. Dejar o permitir. Dejar en
Okay.
el sentido de permitir, ¿no? No dejar de dejar atrás, sino
Mm.
de let live, let lie, let.
Let me.
Let me, correct.
Let me check.
Let me check. Very good.
Let me see.
Let me see. Excellent. That's
Let
right.
me go.
Let me go. So how do you say, Ale, mi papá me dejó ir a la fiesta?
My dad let me go to party.
To a specific party?
To the party.
To the party. Yes. Precisely. That's another example, right? But let, como ven, en estos verbos, si lo están diciendo en presente y se les olvidó conjugar el verbo, nadie va a notar el error. Right?
Okay.
Vamos a terminar con hurt. Janice, do you know what is hurt?
Dolor.
Dolor no es un verbo. Estamos hablando de verbos. Busca el verbo.
Doler.
Doler. That's correct. Doler. Cuando estamos hablando en pasado, es mucho más usual interpretarlo como lastimar.
Okay. Lástima.
Right? Exactly. So how do you say me lastimé un dedo?
I hurt my finger.
Exactly. That's correct. I hurt my finger. So there. Right? Questions here?
No.
No?
What is should?
What is shut? Well, lo tenía aquí, pero creo que es nivel B1. A ver, no,
Hasta donde estés
encerrado.
como cerrado o cerrar.
Ok, es cerrar. O sea, busca las traducciones que sean verbos, ¿eh? Estamos hablando de puros verbos.
Perdón,
So, en este
cerrar.
caso tendría que ser cerrar, exacto, no cerrado. Y efectivamente, cerrar en el sentido de puertas, ventanas,
Okay.
shut, ajá.
Cerrar
Y
ciclos.
cerrar ciclos, ajá, también. Shut the
Sí.
Shut the cycle. No, no es muy común, pero metafóricamente podrías decir shut the door para hablar de ciclos. You know?
Ok.
Ajá. Sí, no es como común decir shut the cycle, ¿sabes? Anyway, shut the door, shut the, the window, shut up. La palabra de la orden para callarse viene también de cerrar la boca. Por eso es shut up. That's funny.
Okay. Con la canción.
Ajá. Ajá, exactly. Ajá, like the song. Shut up. Don't speak, you know?
Yes.
Mhm. Verbs. Okay. The next one, number 2. Verbs change to T at the end for both past and past participle. Observe. There is a T. Do you see?
Mhm.
T, a T, a T, a T. Always. And the past participle is the same. Built, spent, sent. So all this list is with a T at the end. Now, Janice, what's the meaning of bill?
Comprar.
Incorrect. De comprar es buy.
Ah, sorry. Construir.
Construir, build. So
Build.
what's the past, Janice?
Is built. Built.
That's right. Yes, again, built.
Built.
Perfect. Did you build your house?
Yes, I built my house in Hidalgo.
Pronunciation. I didn't hear the T. Again.
I built
Mhm.
my house in Hidalgo.
Exactly. That's much better. Built my house in Hidalgo. Good. Ale, spend. What's the meaning of spend?
Gastar.
That's right. Gastar, which is if you are talking about money, es gastar. But if you're talking about time,
Oh.
okay. Janice, can you help us?
Spent. Ah, no. Spent. Oh,
What?
sorry. What?
Janice,
what-
focus. Again, repetition. Spend, gastar.
Uh-huh.
If you are talking about money, but if
Yes.
you are talking about time,
Uh, I
take a note. Everybody.
spend cuando dicen perdí mi tiempo, no se puede usar ahí.
No, that's lose. Lose time,
Ah.
perder tiempo. Ujú. Spend time. Take a note. Pasar el tiempo.
Ah, ok.
Ujú. Take a note, Ale. Take a note, Janice. Open glossary and copy this word. Ready?
Ready.
Perfect. So spend. Spend time or spend money, right?
Mhm.
Ale, who do you like to spend time with?
Can you repeat, please?
Yes. Who do you like to spend time with?
Spend time. I
Again,
like.
repetition.
No, I like spend. No, I like spend time
Connector.
too.
Complete.
I like spend
Whoops.
time.
Again. Like is a verb. Spend is a verb. Connector for two verbs.
Too. Bro.
Again.
Okay. I like to spend time. Read a books.
Read the book. Well, when you say I like to spend time reading, because reading is a hobby.
Okay. Reading a books.
Good. A books or only one book?
Books.
Books. Eliminate a.
Okay. I like to spend time reading books.
Books. Excellent. Very good. Just a second. Okay. And when was the last time you spent time reading books?
Tonight.
Tonight. Tonight is in the future. My question is in the past.
At night.
When was the last time?
At night.
At night is in the future. What is the expression for the previous night? Past.
Yeah. In the night. No.
Incorrect. The word is
Last night.
Last night.
Last, correct. So one more time.
I reading books last
Mm-mm.
night.
Incomplete, super incomplete.
Why?
When was the last time you spent time reading books?
When was the last time?
When was the last time you spent time? Practice the verb spent. This is the objective of the class.
Yes. I spent time
Mhm.
the last time I reading.
I reading. Eliminate I.
Reading.
Yes. One more time. Complete.
Okay. The last time, no. I spent time, no. Sí, ¿cómo sería?
Pero son verb complements.
Yeah. The last time, spend time.
Who spent time?
Me. I spend time.
Exactly. Again.
The last time I spent time, I reading. No, quito like reading books was
Yes. Was?
Was at night.
What night?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. What is the expression for yesterday night?
Last night.
Last night. Exactly. One more time. Just a second. Just a second.
Okay.
Great. One more time.
The last time I spent time reading a book, reading books was last night.
Was last night. Yes. Yes, that's a good example. Good. Please copy this example somewhere in the chat, in the glossary, in the somewhere in my WhatsApp. Copy that example.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Janice, send. What is the past of send? Well, what is the meaning of send?
Enviar.
Good. I send, you send, he, she, it sends, no?
Yes.
What was the last thing you... No, did you send an important message this week?
The last week.
Well, the last week, okay. Complete idea.
Yes. I sent an email with my providers.
With my eliminate with
with providers.
with what do you
I'm
mean?
sorry. Sorry. My
Together?
providers.
No. The provider received
Okay.
the email, no?
I sent to email.
Exactly. I sent to again. Number one, what did you send?
Email.
Okay, complete idea.
I sent email.
Okay, perfect. Email is countable?
Sí, yes. I sent an email
Correct. To who?
to
Exactly.
my providers.
Ta-da. When?
Okay. Um, in Monday.
Connector for Monday.
At Monday.
Connector for Monday.
In Monday. No,
Connector for Monday.
I don't know.
On Monday.
On Monday.
When you say
Okay.
days, specific days is on.
Okay.
Complete.
Okay. I sent an email my providers.
Again.
I sent an email my providers.
Whoops. Again.
Okay.
Connector
I
for
sent
destination.
I sent an email to my provider
Excellent.
on Monday.
On Monday. Fantastic. Very good. That's much better. Much, much better. Copy that example in WhatsApp.
Okay.
Very good. Well, girls. Okay. So, switch to Spanish. Le comentaba a Janice que ahorita estoy en Querétaro atendiendo a unas cositas familiares. Entonces, está viendo lugares en donde dar la clase y todo, y estoy experimentando como dónde instalarme para poder dar su clase. Déjenme ver todavía. No, voy a buscar ahorita un lugar cercano a donde pues, tengo que ir a dejar a esa persona y, y ya nos podemos ver a la hora buena, ¿no? Porque anduve como deambulando ahorita a las 7 entre el tráfico y buscar en dónde darle su clase. Se me fue el tiempo. Entonces déjeme buscar algo por acá y ya nos vemos mañana tempranito. Si de plano no encuentro nada, les aviso para darles una semana de clases en la noche, ¿vale? Es en lo que platicábamos, Janis. Y nos veríamos a las 9 con el grupo B1 y ya la próxima semana volvemos a este horario. ¿Hecho? Esos son el plan A y el plan B.
Me parece,
Okay. Agree.
¿Cómo decía, Sale?
me parece bien.
Perfect, excelente. Right? Entonces déjenme buscar y las mantengo al tanto. Right?
Vale.
Okay.
Perfect, girls. Tengan muy
Thank
bonito
you.
día. See you later.
See
See you
you
tomorrow.
later.
Bye, girls.